Fully
it is.
cooked.
Yes, it does.
Afsan Farm Kitchen. Welcome to our scenic journey. As we glide over this charming small town and the lush orchards, we invite you to join us in celebrating the bounty of our farm kitchen. Our talented chefs are here to share a variety of healthy, delicious, and easy-to-make recipes that are perfect for you and your family. But that's not all. Our farm is also home to adorable pets and captivating wildlife. Stay tuned for delightful short videos featuring our furry friends and the natural beauty that surrounds our orchards and fields. Our dishes are made using the freshest ingredients straight from our orchards and fields, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. You'll find that our recipes are not only easy to follow but also highly adaptable, catering to a variety of tastes and dietary needs. But that's not all. Our farm is also home to adorable pets and captivating wildlife. Stay tuned for delightful short videos featuring our furry friends and the natural beauty that surrounds our orchards and fields. These moments of joy and tranquility are sure to bring a smile to your face and a sense of calm to your day.
Bodies moving in perfect harmony, whispering secrets in the language of our souls, lost in the rhythm, it's taking control. Your touch, it burns like a slow burning fire, igniting passion, unspoken desire. The way you move, it's pure sophistication, this midnight serenade, a sweet salvation. Let's surrender in this sultry night, lost in music, our hearts take flight.
Afsan Farm Media Production offers a wide variety of short videos featuring our adorable pets, charming behaviors, and quick, healthy recipes. Additionally, we provide valuable information on nutrition and global culinary traditions, ensuring you have everything you need for a well-rounded and tasty diet. Today's fast-paced world, finding the time to prepare wholesome meals can be a challenge. That's why our chefs have crafted recipes that not only prioritize health but also fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a working professional, a busy parent, or someone who simply loves good food, our recipes are designed to be quick, convenient, and absolutely scrumptious. From vibrant salads and hearty mains to delightful desserts, there's something for everyone to enjoy.